Hey guys, Ron from ReveMoto, and today we are working on this 2011 Lincoln Navigator driver's side mirror removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need this particular mirror for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where we already got these mirrors ready for you guys to install with the help of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Then we gotta do is we gotta remove the door panel because the actual wire goes all the way down here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this whole door panel right here. So right here there's gonna be a 2 bolts. That's gonna be a 7 with a ratchet set. So I got an extension so I can get in there. All right. So if you guys get in here, there's going to be this cover right here, and there's going to be, this one's kind of deformed already, but there's going to be little slits right here that if you guys have a flathead, so this is the panel remover tool, but if you guys had a flathead, something flat, you guys kind of wedge right here and it pops this cover up like that. You guys can see those two 7 millimeters. We're going to go ahead and take those off. So basically the bolt looks like this right here. So it's going to be 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and take the other one off. There's another one right there. So right here it's going to be a little harder to see, but basically there's going to be a cover right here. Same thing, get a flathead to get that off, and there's going to be a 7 millimeter to take off right there. Alright, if you guys go down here, so down below the door panel, if I can focus on it, it's going to be 7 millimeters on the bottom. So if you guys go to the side right here, there's going to be a Phillips. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I'm not sure that's part of the door panel, but so again, I'm not sure if that's part of the door panel that to remove it, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off anyway since it's right there. So I think we're good. I think we're good to go. Go ahead and pull the door panel off. So I would just go to the side right here. As you guys can see, pushed up on it. Push up. Unlocks it. Let me show you guys how this looks. So you guys can see on the back of the door panel, it's held on by these hook system, and just push up on it and it will release it. Okay, so this one right here appears to be a 7/16. It's gonna be 3 bolts right here. As you guys can see right there, there's gonna be 3 bolts that we gotta take off. So 3 bolts. Don't unplug it yet, because just in case this thing, you know, my mirror is already broken and there's no base to it. But if yours is like kind of broken and the whole system is still there, you don't want it to fall down and damage your door. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that plugged in. So it looks like this. And there's 3 of them. now you can go ahead and unhook it. So just pull the wires out and then unclip it. If the wires are stuck, let's get something flat to unhook it with. Again, hold on to that wire. So let me show you guys. If you guys look right here, there's going to be like a plug and there's going to be a lever looking thing. Just press down on it and pull up. Alright, so now you guys have that off. Hold on to it and then go with your other arm and kind of wiggle it out. And then feed the wire out. Oh. This wire right here, you actually don't have to take it off. I'm gonna put that back in. It's the gray wire. You don't have to unplug that. Alright guys, so here's the brand new mirror right here. Again, if you guys need this mirror for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source, or if it's not painted, we sell it unpainted just like this one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and install this one. So one of the things is like there's already a gasket right here, so you don't have to use the old one. But if the old one you want to use that one, you can. But take this one off. Okay, so we're gonna feed this through. We're gonna feed this through down there. And my other arm, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So I'm gonna step up, locate that plug, and I'm gonna plug it in. So in case it falls, it doesn't fall too far. All right. So now it's plugged in. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this in there. Line up the holes. So this one has a hook system also. So if you guys can see right there, there's a hook right here, and you press up on it. So line up with that hole right there, and then you press up on it. Okay. That should hold. So now you get the bolts, and so I'm touching the base. I'm gonna go ahead and put that bolt in. Here, I don't like to use a power tool. I'm gonna go ahead and get my handheld ratchet set. I don't like to use power tools on this particular item just because it's plastic. And I don't want to break it off of the plastic base. So you don't have to force it too much, just like let's see, how can I describe the tension? Once you kind of feel it grip, then just give it like one rotation, it should be good enough. So see, I feel the tension. I'm just gonna give it one rotation just like that, and then I can feel it not wanting to move anymore. I'm not gonna force it to move, so I'm just gonna leave it. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the mirror. So you guys can see it's moving. Alright, so now it's good to go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the door back together. Remember, it's a hook system, so we're gonna put it over. Alright. So we just gotta make sure it's over. Alright, now you should be able to push down on it like that. And now it's good. So we're just going to work backwards, or any which way you actually want. So we're going to go and put this cover back on. Then these two right here. Alright, then push down on that. I'm gonna go down here and put this in. Alright, and the last thing is, so if you guys are wondering if we did need to take this off, yes we did. Go and put that back in. Alright guys, that's how you install a 2011 Lincoln Navigator driver side mirror. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. Thank you guys.